The Registrar of the Institute will present the candidates who have been awarded postgraduate and undergraduate degrees and have been found suitable for award of the Institute Gold Medals. The Registrar of the Institute will also present the candidates who have been found suitable for award of the Endowment Gold Medal. I request the Chief Guest, Honorable President of India, Sri Ramnath Kovind ji, to present the medals to the candidates. Sir, I present to you the following postgraduate degree recipients for award of the Institute Gold Medal who have been adjudged worthy of the same. Gold Medal for the best postgraduate M.Tech, Kajal Agrawal, who has been awarded Master of Technology degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering with specialization in signal image processing. Gold Medal for the best postgraduate with dual degree BTech and MTech, Subhadra Swadarsani, who has been awarded degree of BTech in Civil Engineering and MTech in Civil Engineering with specialization in Transportation Engineering under dual degree program. Gold Medal for the best postgraduate with integrated MSc degree, Satik Sadhu, who has been awarded degree of Bachelor of Science Honours and Master of Science in Physics under the 5-year integrated MSc program. Gold Medal for the best postgraduate 2 years MSc and MA, Srija Roy, who has been awarded Master of Science 2-year degree in Life Science. Gold Medal for the best postgraduate MBA, Krishna Kumar Jaishwal, who has been awarded Master of Business Administration degree. Sir, I present to you the following undergraduate degree recipients for award of Institute Gold Medal who have been adjudged worthy of the same. Gold Medal for the best graduate, BTech and BR, Rishabh Bajaj, who has been awarded Bachelor of Technology degree in Civil Engineering. Sir, I present to you the following degree recipient for award of Endowment Gold Medal who has been adjudged worthy of the same. Snigdha Sri Patra Memorial Gold Medal for the best PhD thesis of 2019 and 20, Mohammad Miraz, who has been awarded Doctor of Philosophy degree in Metallurgical and Materials Engineering.